In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete search history in Safari web browser on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Safari web browser and then just tap at that book icon. In that pop-up you can easily find reading list, favorites and the search history. If you want, you can expand it in that way and then search for something in your history. If you want to remove some specific search request, you can just hold down your finger on it and then hit at delete. Or if you want to clear all your search history, just tap at clear and then just select the period of time in which you want to clear history. You can select the last hour, today and yesterday, and all time. I'm just gonna hit at the last hour, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.